Alright, today for the V6 Camaro 1LT. Right now, it did have the mufflers on it, but it don't no more, as you can see. I don't know how good you can actually hear that, but that's where I cut them off at. Say a little story about these mufflers that was on the car. I have no clue what it's going to sound like afterwards. And the mufflers that was on the car are them right there. I guess that's Flowmaster or something. Well, after 3,000 RPMs, they sound like crap. And they didn't sound so good. So I'm making a little video of this also, to where it's showing the mufflers are, well, the other muffler that I don't have put on the car and everything. So be continued. Probably 2 other videos. What it'll be.